Hi class, today is February 2nd. It's time to do our week 3 update. So there are a couple of things we need to talk about. Now first of all, the quiz on D2L and also your Mindtap assignment was due last weekend. And then many of you finished, very good, but some of you didn't finish. So let me know as soon as possible if you didn't finish so I can extend your due date. Can't talk, I'm Chinese. Now, also we need to talk about your Mindtap stuff. I see that some of you have some confusion over which stuff you should do on Mindtap. Now, if you open every chapter, let me show you what it looks like on my side. Now, when you open your Mindtap, for many of you, it looks something like this. Now, what I like to do, I like to change a different view, so I always under the second view. Now, once on the second view, you can see the entire chapter. So let's say we go to exam 1, and let's look at chapter 3. So go to chapter 3. It gives you a breakdown of everything here. So we have your walkthrough videos, your chapter 3 textbook. So this is the textbook over here. So if any of you want to don't want to use the actual book, want to use the ebook, this is where you look for the information. And then there's some very cool features on the textbooks. So if I open it, let me show you something. There's a very cool feature on here. Let me go to, let's see, it's the first section. Alright, so once you're on the first section, you see on the left corner over here this little person's head with a mouse open and something coming out. This is an option that you can read the page out loud. So if you don't want to actually read the textbook, you can have the book read it to you. And you can even choose, what the voice is going to be. It'll be a guy or a lady. So this is a very cool feature that if you guys are really bored or have nothing to do, or you clean the house, you're playing your video games, and just in case you want to listen to economics, open this book and then listen to it while you do the stuff. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. Now let's go back to our homeworks. Close this. All right, so there are two things over here. One is called the direct from text homework, and this one's called applet homework. Now they both call homework, but however, this direct from text homework, it says practice over here. So which means for this one, even though it's called a homework, but it's not really a homework. It's more like a practice. So if you do it, that's only for your own benefit, and whatever you did on it wouldn't become to your final grade. Now, however, your applet homework, this will be counted to your final grade. Okay, so work on this, and then only the applet homework will be graded in your final grade. And then many of you are getting into difficulty of working on the applet homework. I do have some videos on every single chapter, just in case if you missed it. If you go to your D2L page, let's go to D2L, and then on the D2L page, under every chapter, so let's go to exam 1. Alright, so exam 1, let's go to chapter 3. Alright, so see how chapter 3 over here we have the chapter 3 quiz, and then right below the chapter 3 quiz it says chapter 3 Mindtap help. So if you open this, open the chapter 3 Mindtap help. I post my own personal videos on here. So this one says chapter 3 number 2 part 1, chapter 3 number 2 part 2. So I have instruction videos on how to do, oh look, that's me right there. So I have videos I made on YouTube that shows you how to do individual problems, like a video walkthrough. So if you don't run into a problem, come back to the Mindtap help videos on D2L, and then more than often the question you are having problem with is in the D2L Mindtap help, and then look at it and then go back to do your homeworks. And then many of you are having are finding this video is very useful, so thank you for the comment. Now so that's the D2L Mindtap help. And then last thing I'm talking about is our Google Plus. Now for the Google Plus, we're going to use it for the online meetings. So right now we scheduled every Thursday, every Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, afternoon from 1:30 to 3:30. So many of you have already video chat with me last week, and you are getting your 2 points extra on your first test. But remember, it's 2 points per week. So if you keep checking with me every week, there's 2 points on the first test. Okay, so we have what, 3 weeks for now. That's at least another 6 points on extra on your test. So checking on the Google Plus with me. Now, for those of you who haven't done so yet, so go to Google Plus. Now, add me on Google Plus. My Google Plus page link is on the syllabus. So if you click on the syllabus, on the very front page, it shows my Google Plus account. You can use that to add me to your circle, and then once I'm in your circle, you can check in with me on a video conference. I know the timing for everybody is not perfect. Many of you are, at work or in your other classes. You don't have to actually have a computer to chat with me. There's also an app on iPhone and also Android. It's called Google Plus app. Now this app, there's another separate app. It's called Hangout. Hangout is the thing that Google Plus use to do video conference. So download the Google Plus app and also download the Hangout app. We can use that to video chat on your phone, and that will also get you 2 points on the test. Okay, so do that. Now the last thing, I know that's the last thing. One more thing, uno más. Your week 1 discussion grade is already posted. However, some of you didn't get 100. You only get a 90 or 95. It's not that I don't like your post or I don't like what you said about yourself. I do like everybody here, even if you are Longhorn or Aggie fan. I'm a UH Cougar fan. But the reason why you didn't get 100 is because, remember, to get a perfect score on your weekly discussions, you have to reply to at least one of your classmates' posts as well. So don't just post your own posting, but also reply to somebody else's post as well. Okay, so that's how I get a perfect score. All right, so guys, have any question, let me know, and then good luck on your assignment. And remember, every week, gonna do your Mindtap, do your D2L quiz, and also do your weekly discussions. Okay, so have any question, let me know, and I'll looking forward to see everybody on Thursday and Wednesday afternoons, our weekly video chat. Okay, all right, guys, good luck.